So let's quickly go through the steps I took to create this custom new Claude skills. So there is a, which I will show you in a minute, which is when you enabled Claude skills, there is one come with it called the skill creator. You once you turn on, and then you can just give it a prompt, ask it to generating a Claude skill in a markdown output file for you. So this one is the one I give it. Says to name it called the travel compliance check. Basically says it's just the I will uploading you the image receipt, and you're going to check against our fake corp travel policy. And I also tell you that who I am, what are my cost centers, and what are my employee levels. So it use that information to identify if for like international flight, you have to qualify. If you are a certain employee level, then it will using that information. And also, your cost center will decide if it's a domestic travel or it's an international travel. And also said for internal travels that need to convert a currency, foreign currency to USD first. So that's all the instruction how I want you to do against the corp travel policy, which in this case is a fake one. So it will create a markdown file, and I just renamed it in capital letter, just called skill.md, and also attached our corp travel policy in a PDF file as well. And then you zip up in a zip file, and then you go to settings, and you go capabilities, and you see upload the skill, and then drop your zip file in. And the one I mentioned is the one called skill creator. Just make sure you turn it on if you want to give a prompt to create a skill for you. Now we are ready to give a shot. Okay, so here is, say, using these skills to run a compliance check for my recent travel. And then next I need to do is to upload a bunch of my receipt. So I have 4 receipts in image shot using my camera, and I'm going to send to these skills and say, okay, run it. Now let's wait and see how it going to process. So first thing it's going to, of course, it's going to find if that named custom Claude skill exists. Okay, looks like it found it, and then it open it and understanding it, and then process the image one by one against your corp travel policy. Okay, so it found 4 receipt, great, and a non-compliant expense. So first for the hotel accommodation, it's a reason. Reason is the room rate. Okay, but the incident cost, which is right, incident means your entertainment charge, your laundry charge, your minibar charge, and yes, above the allocation, which is 75 per stay, but you are way above that. So that's good, it catch that. And it's also non-compliant because the reason is, yes, exceeded 20% of alcohol limit. Another core policy, taxi, compliant, international, interesting because it's also compliant, great, it catch that because I give it my employee level is a director. So, and the flight from JFK to London is more likely is longer than 8 hours. So those conditions qualify me a flight in business class. And so, of course, this is a fake policy. I wish that's our the true core policy, so I can take on the business travel in the business class. But it catches all those non-compliant violations, and give you a summary. So total is 4 and a non-compliant expense 2, and give you a reason why it's which particular part of the policy it's violated. So this is a good, quick demo. It's I will say it's a low hanging fruit, and it's for employee task automation. That's all it is. Thank you for watching.